Hi there! Today, let's take a look at products management via the Virto Commerce Catalog module. Virto supports physical and digital products, bills of materials, and product variants. You can add both digital and physical products to the same category with no restrictions. Other types of products can be easily created as needed. For each product, you can create an unlimited number of properties. These properties can be added at the catalog or category level, and these properties are inherited by child products, making taxonomy management convenient and secure. Product management includes all the necessary functionality: visibility management, availability timeframe, descriptions, videos, assets, SEO information, and so on. At Virto, we understand the importance of establishing relationships between products. So here we have variations and associations. Variations are self-explanatory. They can be colors, sizes, and other options. Associations allow you to set an unlimited number of relationships between different products. This is a powerful basis for upselling and cross-selling. It is also possible to register which products are often bought together, which products complement each other, and much more. Another very important thing is that it's ready for integration with any smart engine that calculates such relations. All product data is stored in the search engine's index, which means that it can be quickly delivered to the front end, which is our strongest point. We have customers managing tens of millions of products with Virto, and everything runs smoothly. Thank you for watching. If you still have questions and want to learn more about Virto extensible modules, feel free to contact us to request a personal demo.